Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. This week, we travel down to Drumheller, Alberta to have a look at Tyra, the world's largest dinosaur. It was a smoky, overcast day, so our views from the mouth were not great, but stay tuned to see what we saw from Tyra's gaping jaw. Now, due to Drumheller's bylaws, I was unable to fly my drones. Oh, and the weather didn't help either, but hopefully you still enjoy the video. Tyra stands 25 meters or 86 feet tall and 46 meters or 151 feet long. She tips the scales at just over 65 metric tons, which is 145,000 pounds, which makes her about 4.5 times bigger than a real T-Rex. There are 106 steel steps to reach the top, and if you are afraid of heights, maybe just admire her size from terra firma. The planning process to build Tyra took about 3 years, but construction only took just over a year. She has a steel skeleton with fiberglass skin. The structure was built by a firm located in Calgary, and the fiberglass artists were sourced from the Philippines and China. Tyra cost the Drumheller Chamber of Commerce just over $1 million to construct in 1999. As you climb through her belly, there are fossils and murals painted on the walls. The swaying that you feel while ascending is apparently normal, and is only noticeable if you stop to shoot some video or wait for others to leave the mouth, as the mouth is only able to safely hold about 12 people. Remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you're into that kind of thing. Click or tap on the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Feel free to share this video with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you so desire. But until next week, bye-bye.